Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vidya Vihanga. In this video, I am going to show you how to record the complete installation process of a software as a document without using any external softwares. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Getting fed up with explaining each and every step of installation that you have undergone in installing the software? Here is the best solution that provided by Microsoft Windows as an inbuilt feature. It is called Steps Recorder. This Steps Recorder records each and every step or mouse movement that appears on your desktop or laptop screens. After hitting the Start Record button, it records each and every click that you performed by your mouse on your desktop screen or laptop screen, takes as an image. For now, I'm going to Google Chrome, enter images, and going to some beautiful image like this, and click on it. Each and every time you perform your left click actions, it is going to take a screenshot of your desktop. It will appear in red color as a dot so that the image is taken. Now I'm going to stop the Steps Recorder and it is going to give you the recorded files as an MHD format, which is Microsoft documentation format. Whatever the process that I have done is taken as an image each and every time. Here I am going to save it on the desktop as a zip file. Just extract the zip file and place it on your desktop. Here, this MHD file is open only two formats. One is with Internet Explorer and the other one is Windows Word document format. Here I am going to open it with Word document. When you are going to open it with Internet Explorer, the images reside same as you see earlier, but when you are going to open it with Word document, it changes and appears as a big image. I am going to resize it of all the images and it will give you some matter regarding the recordings of each and every step. Just delete the unwanted lines that you want to. Here you can have an edit option, Word document. I am going to name it as open a web browser. And save the file as Word documentation on my desktop. So that the file will be saved as Word. It will ask you to continue, just click on it. The file is stored on my desktop as documentation format of Microsoft. Open the file that is saved with a Word document. And after the editing is completed, you can export it or save the file as different forms that are supported by your Word document. And you can extract by using PDF. I am going to save this document as a PDF with extension .pdf on my desktop. This process is really useful for the students as well as software engineers. Thank you.